हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Heard Shri Vikas Upadhyay, Learned Counsel for the Petitioner, Learned Standing Counsel for State of UP, and Shri H.N. Singh, Learned Senior Advocate assisted by Shri Manoj Kumar Singh, Learned Counsel for Respondent numbers 6, 7 and 8, full stop para. This writ petition under Article 226 of Constitution of India has been filed by the sole petitioner Kamlesh with a prayer to issue a writ of quo warranto restraining respondent numbers 6 and 7, that is Prem Shankar Rai and Sunil Kumar Tiwari respectively, from working as assistant teacher in Jangli Baba Uchchatar Madhyamik Vidya Mandir, Kathura, District Balia in bracket hereinafter referred to as the school bracket out, and also to restrain respondent number 8, that is Rajesh Kumar Prajapati, from working as clerk in the school full stop. A further writ of mandamus has been prayed for commanding respondents' authorities to conduct a fair and impartial inquiry in respect of alleged appointments, including office bearers of Committee of Management and guilty officers/officials who proceeded against law for appointments and misappropriation of public money full stop para. Facts in brief giving rise to present writ petition as borne out from record are as under colon para. The case set up by petitioner is that he is a permanent resident of village Kathura, district Balia, and engaged in social work full stop. The school is run by a registered society, namely Jangli Baba Uchchatar Madhyamik Vidya Mandir Kathura, district Balia, in bracket hereinafter referred to as society bracket out, governed by bylaws framed by it and duly registered under the provisions of Societies Registration Act, 1860, in bracket hereinafter referred to as Act 1860 full stop. A school was initially established as a junior high school full stop. It was included in the list of grant in aid by state government, and thereupon payment of salary to teaching and non-teaching staff came within the purview of UP junior high schools, in bracket payment of salaries of teachers and other employees bracket out, Act 1978 in bracket hereinafter referred to as Act, 1978 bracket out full stop para. In the year 1988, school was upgraded and granted recognition up to high school by UP Board of High School and Intermediate, governed by Intermediate Education Act, 1921 in bracket hereinafter referred to as Act, 1921 bracket out full stop para. Elections were held on 11/12/2009, but rival claims were set up by three different sets full stop. District Inspector of Schools in bracket hereinafter referred to as DIOS bracket out attested signatures of Committee of Management, wherein one Vishwajit Sharma was elected as manager full stop. This led to writ petition number 59662 of 2011 in bracket Virendra Rai versus State of UP and others bracket out, wherein an interim order was passed on 17/10/2011 full stop. Order dated 17/10/2011 was challenged in intra-court appeal, that is special appeal number full stop 2126 of 2011 in bracket C/M Jangli Baba Uchchatar Madhyamik Vidya Mandir and another versus State of UP and others bracket out full stop. Appeal was allowed by a division bench of this court. Wide judgment dated 23/5/2014 holding that writ petition was filed by a single life member at whose behalf it was not maintainable, and interim order dated 17/10/2011 was set aside full stop. दोस्तों ये हो गया है 120 की स्पीड में, और चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। दूसरा डिक्टेशन ठीक 5 मिनट पे शुरू करने वाले हैं, ठीक है? तो चलिए रुकते हैं। तो चलिए क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं 10 सेकेंड से। चलिए स्टार्ट। This application under section 482 of CRPC has been filed by Sanjay Verma against state of UP and another with a prayer for setting aside impugned charge sheet and cognizance taking order dated 31/5/2016 in criminal case number 889 of 2016 state versus Sanjay Verma under sections 354 of IPC PS Kotwali District Balia pending before court of ACJM first Balia full stop para. Heard learned counsel for the applicant and learned AGA representing the state full stop para. Learned counsel for the applicant argued that opposite party number 2 Rekha Verma, who is informant complainant of present case lodged under section 354 of IPC, is an accused in a case of murder of Omji Verma, which was manipulated by her to be shown as a railway accident death, whereas FIR was got lodged and matter was investigated, wherein final report was submitted, against which protest petition was filed and order for further investigation was prayed full stop. This is a false case lodged as counter blast for alleged occurrence after a delay full stop. This offence under section 354 of IPC as case crime number 567 of 2016 was got registered upon an application moved under section 156 in bracket 3 of CRPC, wherein investigation resulted in submission of charge sheet number 71 of 2016 dated 3/4/2016 full stop. Cognizance by magistrate was taken on 31/5/2016 full stop. Occurrence was said to be of 3/11/2015 and case was registered on 15/3/2016 full stop. In between, above case of murder was got registered, wherein she has moved an application regarding no enmity with anyone and it being death under railway accident full stop. This was an offence of murder full stop, hence this counter blast case was a result of concoction full stop. But trial court failed to appreciate it, hence this application for preventing abuse of process of law full stop, thereby prayer for setting aside impugned charge sheet and cognizance taking order with entire proceeding of above criminal case was prayed for full stop. Para. Learned counsel for other side vehemently opposed with this contention that complainant is widow lady of 25 years with no issue full stop. Accused applicant is real brother of her husband full stop. With a view to oust her from her property, this false case was got registered because death was owing to railway accident and investigation resulted in submission of final report full stop. This case was reported by GRP 2 that it was a case of accident full stop. In the present case, he was subjected to molestation in her room wherein accused was residing, being elder brother of her deceased husband full stop. For this, she ran from pillar to post for getting case registered and ultimately this could be registered and investigated, wherein charge sheet has been submitted and cognizance has been taken full stop, hence this application full stop. Para. Having heard learned counsels for both sides as well as learned AGA and gone through the material placed on record, it is apparent that a case under section 302 of IPC was got registered by way of application moved under section 156 in bracket 3 of CRPC full stop. Over.